Today we are introducing the 2025.2 release of the Thinkwise Platform, a major leap forward in user experience. With improved filtering, the ability to draw shapes directly onto a map, and a greatly enhanced scheduler, and so much more, we are giving you the tools you need to create powerful business applications that perfectly align with your users' needs. Starting with filtering, we have greatly improved our filtering options. Users can now filter on data in related details and lookups. We are also introducing the advanced filter, an incredibly powerful way to create complex filters using and or groups. This allows you to create complex filters, such as I want every company that is a supplier, but that also has an office in Apeldoorn, Rotterdam or Amsterdam. We have also made significant updates to two of our graphical components, starting with maps, where users can now add markers and geometric shapes directly in the maps component. Adding markers can be really useful to quickly add new addresses or points of interest. Maps now also supports drawing circles, rectangles, lines, and even polygons, which can be any shape, directly in the component. This is useful when you need to set up exact geofencing, such as for computer-controlled vehicles or have to stay within a specific area. Another component that has seen major improvements is the scheduler. We've added the ability to execute tasks when clicking on a time cell, allowing users to create new activities directly from the scheduler. For example, this allows a planner to see an overview of all employees in the workshop, and by clicking on an empty time cell, they can immediately create a new appointment directly in the scheduler. It is now also possible to drag and drop items from a list directly into the scheduler. Sometimes it is needed to draw the user's attention to an activity, resource, or time cell. You can now apply conditional layouts to all of these, making it possible to notify the user if there is something they need to take a look at. In general, we have greatly improved the UI/UX flexibility of the Thinkwise platform. We've added a menu color option, allowing you to implement your brand colors in the menu, but to keep the primary and secondary color more muted to have proper contrast values. Primary actions are a new way to highlight important actions to your users. These are the actions on the screen that they should be focusing on right now, such as an important task. Buttons in task and report pop-ups can now have alternative translations, allowing you to give them much more context, so they can say print now or finish project instead of execute. Conditional layouts have more styling options such as font size, underline and strike through. Using these new options, you can tailor your text exactly to suit your needs, but do be aware that with great power comes great responsibility. The Indicium login has been redesigned to have an incredible new look, allowing you to further personalize and add branding to your application. You can now also have different login pages for every tenant, allowing you to give all of your customers a recognizable login screen. This release includes 18 community ideas representing 391 votes. Please keep voting and sharing new ideas so we can focus on the functionality that the community desires most. Together, we can add the largest amounts of business value. For more detailed information, please read the release notes and featured blogs on the Thinkwise community. If you want to stay updated about the Thinkwise platform, you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. We at Thinkwise are incredibly proud of this update, and we love to see what you will create with it.